post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, and sometimes a bonus in between. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns, and many of them are free, or on Etsy. HectaFavorites is my shop name there, and I have approximately 700. I'm working with one strand of worsted weight yarn and a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. And we're going to work the bottom band first. So you're going to chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, and each stitch all the way across the row. Chain 1 and turn. Make one single crochet in that first stitch in the full stitch, and then work in the back loop, single crochet across the row. But for the last stitch, make it in the full stitch, both loops. Like that. And you're going to continue to do that until this will wrap around the head. So I've chained one and turned. I make one single crochet through both loops in that first stitch, and then in the back loop across the row. But that last stitch, make one single crochet through both loops. Okay, like that. You're going to keep working that row until this will wrap around the head. Like that. Until it will wrap around the head. Now you're going to bring the two ends together and slip stitch to join. You go through one loop and you loop on the other side and slip stitch all the way down. To join it into a tube. Now I'm going to start working all the way around. So chain one, and you're going to make a single crochet in each stitch all the way around, and you should have the following number of stitches. Like that, all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join. Chain one, single crochet in that same stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet, double crochet, single, double. Repeat all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. You need to end with a double. I ended with a single and I started with a single, so I need a double. So I'm just going to add one more double crochet in that stitch. And I'm going to slip stitch to join in that single crochet. And I'm working the pebble stitch. So I've slip stitched to join in a single crochet. That means I need a double crochet here. So I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and that will take the place of my double crochet. Now this is a double, so I'm going to make a single crochet in that stitch. And then I'll make a double crochet in the next stitch. And I'll make a single crochet because that's a double. I'll make a single crochet. And I'm going to repeat all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. I ended with a single crochet. That is equivalent to my double. I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2, and that's the pebble stitch. So that is 2 rows of pebble stitch, and I'm going to work puff stitches across the next row. So I'm going to chain 2. To make the puff stitches, I'm going to yarn around the hook, insert into the same stitch, and pull up a loop. And I'm going to do that 3 more times. So that's 1, 2, and 3. And you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 loops on the hook. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all 9 loops, and then I'm going to make a double crochet in the next stitch, and make a puff stitch in the next stitch. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to have 9 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all the loops. Double crochet in the next stitch. Like that. You're going to repeat that all the way around. Puff stitch in the next. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all the loops. Double crochet in the next stitch. Like that. And you're going to repeat that all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around making puff stitches. At the end of the row, there's that first chain 2, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. Now we're going to work the same as we did here. Pebble stitch again, so I'm going to chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next, single crochet, double crochet. Work all the way around. Then the following row will be the same as before. Work a single crochet in the double crochet of the previous row, and work a double crochet in the single crochet of the previous row. So you're just going to keep repeating these 2 sections, 2 rows of pebble stitch, 1 row of puff stitch, until the hat is the height that you would need. When the hat is the correct height, you can either use a darning needle and the same yarn and weave through the top of the hat, or you can close it with slip stitches. So I'm going to slip stitch in every 4th stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch. Now do that all the way around. Like that, that will close the top of the hat, and you'll still have a little hole there. So just take another couple of slip stitches, and that will close the top of the hat. Then you can fasten off and weave your yarn ends into the finished work. And the hat can be worn plain like that, or you can add a pom-pom. And I'm going to put a link below where you can learn how to crochet these pom-poms with fun fur. So this is a crocheted pom-pom, and this is a fun fur pom-pom.